Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see how many devices your Instagram account is open. So the first step is go to the Instagram app, and now we go to our profile, and we need to pick in these three lines in the superior part of the app in the right corner. So the first thing we need to do is go to settings and privacy, and now we go to the account center and we pick in passport and security. Now we pick in where you're logging in, and now we got the accounts, our accounts, and we pick here, for example, and now we know how many devices are connected in with our account of Instagram. So if you want to delete this your account of this device, the only thing you need to do is select device to log out and pick here and confirm here, log out, and that's it. You do delete the account of Instagram of this device. So that's it. It's a simple process to do, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.